In this module, we'll continue learning enough Python to understand our basic bottle code. Let's start with user-defined functions, or defs. In our bottle code, under route, we had a def called hello world that returns our template. We can say that hello world has the specific function of returning our template. This is what a user-defined function is, a piece of code that has a specific purpose and returns a value. We already know a few built-in functions like print, length, string, and integer. With def, we can create our own. Instead of using Python's built-in print function, let's create our own version of it called printName. This will simply print a name. We'll make another function called printAge, which prints an age. One point that should be made clear here is that by definition, a function always returns a value. A procedure is a piece of code that we can run over and over again. Although printName and printAge are called functions in Python, they are better defined as procedures. However, the hello world def that returns our template is a true function by definition. To use these functions, we'll create two variables with inputs that take a name and age. Now we'll pass the variable name into the printName function and the variable age into the printAge function. When we run our program, we'll see that both inputs work, but nothing happens with our defs. This makes sense because we never called our functions. Let's try and call our functions right underneath each input. This doesn't work because Python has no idea what printName is. Remember, Python is an interpreted language, running line by line. By the time it reaches line 2, it hasn't put the function printName into memory, and so it doesn't know what printName is. The same applies to printAge, but Python cannot get past line 2 to show that error. If we define our functions first, our program should work nicely, but we get another error. The printName function is expecting one argument. We've told Python that printName should take an argument of name. If we pass name into printName, our program works nicely. PrintName prints the name passed into it, and printAge prints the age passed into it. Now that defined functions make more sense, let's give our hello world function a more meaningful name. In this case, we'll call it homepage since it returns our homepage.